Hey guys, we're back with another set of the most incredible gadgets you can buy right now. You'll discover the true power of electricity, the best lightsabers in the universe, and finally something really dangerous. All the links to the products you'll find in the description. Let's dive right in. Your personal universe within a lamp. Specially crafted on the surface, this lamp imitates the rugged surface of a planet. Color drawing craft make the ball look colorful and gorgeous. You can either use touch control or remote control to change the color ambiance of the Galaxy lamp. 16 RGB colors and 4 modes will set the mood whether you want it cozy, romantic, or peaceful. Built-in battery lasts up to 12 hours on one charge, which makes the device a perfect nightlight. USB charging cord is included in the package. You won't spoil the entire look with the cords. Just put the ball on the wooden base to start using the lamp. Can you think of a better way to decorate your room? This little gadget will immediately turn your room into a scientist's lab. This ball is a stunning example of how electricity, combined with some gases, produces plasma. When you touch the lamp, you'll see the light beams following your fingers. Moreover, the plasma can also react to the sound of your voice or music tracks by magnificent pulsations. This lamp supports 3 different colors: green, red, and purple. The size is only 8 inches, so it should perfectly fit your nightstand or wherever you want to put it. No rocket science, just plug it into the socket. Another great option for plasma fans is this incredible disc. As you can see, this one is pretty huge with its 30 inches, but you can easily find smaller options as well. The idea is basically the same. The disc is filled with plasma that responds to your touch. It is made of glass, so you'll have to be careful with it. This particular one only supports green color, but of course you can get multicolor version. Your friends will be thrilled. Have you ever wondered how illusionists do all those crazy tricks, like shooting fire from empty hands? Well, with this tiny gadget, anyone can produce fireballs out of nowhere without any special skills. Based on the original Pyro, the mini version is easier to use, while featuring a host of new things that rival anything you'd see in a James Bond movie. Thanks to the compact size, it's really easy to hide the gadget under a deck of cards or in a wallet. The gadget comes with a detachable strap so you can cover it with your sleeve, and you can even fire this thing from another room using the remote control. It works within a 30-foot range. Another great feature is shooting 2 fireballs at a time. Flash paper and flash cotton for loading the barrels are included in the package. The gadget supports USB charging, so you can plug it right into your laptop. You'll get over 500 shots on a full charge. That's what it takes to become a magician. Are you fond of multifunctional gadgets? Here's an amazing Bluetooth speaker that combines sound and light in the cutest possible way. First of all, it delivers 6 watts output and 360-degree immersive sound. The speaker supports Bluetooth 5.0, which allows perfect connection, but it's more than just a speaker. The built-in LEDs support 16 million colors and can display almost everything you want. In the special mobile app, you'll find an infinite library of beautiful pixel arts, or you can create your own ones. Plus, this thing can display your notifications. You'll probably want to put the gadget by your bed since it also features a smart alarm. It improves your sleep quality using special audio tracks and light waves. You'll get up to 10 hours of playtime on one charge, and there are several great colors to choose from. Untied laces are really annoying and sometimes even dangerous. Now you can make any of your shoes equally convenient. These shoelaces come with a special metal lock which makes your sneakers laced once and for all. It'll take a few minutes to tie the shoes, cut off the excess, and lock the tips. The laces are available in 17 different colors, from classics like black, white, and brown to brighter ones like orange or purple. You'll definitely find a match for any type of sneakers. The length of the strings is 40 inches. Also, they're made of elastic material which stretches easily when needed. Cool. With this incredible suit, you don't have to go to a party. You are the party. Unlike pretty ordinary costumes with several accents, it's fully covered with bright and colorful LED lights from pants to helmet. You're free to adjust the brightness, color, and lighting modes using the included remote control. There are various design options, but the idea is pretty much the same. And the range of sizes goes from small all the way up to 4XL. The suits are mostly made of nylon and cotton. They're battery-powered and should give you about 2 hours of continuous use. This is the perfect holiday suit. Now this gadget will save you the money you spend in bars on fancy drinks. With these LED-enabled ice cubes, all your drinks will look bright and cool. This isn't real ice though. The cubes are actually made from food-safe plastic and they're waterproof. As you drop them into liquid, the light activates automatically. They can either produce continuous or flashing light. To turn off the cubes, you have to simply dry them. The cubes support 6 different colors, which change each other in sequence. In addition, the energy-saving LEDs have a 50,000-hour lifespan. How many drinks is that? This gadget will perfectly suit beer drinkers who often have to deal with cans. This simple tool will make your beverages much more enjoyable. It allows you to remove the top of the can entirely, which is actually a big deal. First, this way you'll get an easy, uninterrupted pour. Secondly, you'll be able to enjoy the full taste and smell of your drinking instead of tasting nasty aluminum. And finally, you can garnish your beer by adding a lime slice or something. Besides, the tool is also applicable to other canned beverages like cocktails, soda, or iced coffee. It's extremely easy to use. You just put the tool on top of the can, squeeze the handle, and rotate. The tool is super sturdy, combining high-impact plastic and stainless steel parts. Plus, it's completely pocketable. Next up, here's a perfect fashion accessory for geeks. It's a futuristic LED watch with a simple yet really stunning design. These 3 circles are actually showing the time in their own way. One circle stands for hours, the second one for minute groups, like 5, 10, 15, and the smallest one shows the precise minute. You'll get used to it. The blue camouflage case will perfectly match almost any casual outfit. Most importantly, it's made of acetate, a strong high-end material with a nice silky finish. There are 2 versions available with blue or red LEDs. The watch is USB rechargeable and lasts about a month on one charge. How cool is that? Even a real Jedi wouldn't be able to tell this toy from an actual lightsaber. The model features an incredible level of detail and build quality. It uses a mix of steel and brass elements. All the parts were either 3D printed or laser cut with highest precision. What makes the saber even more realistic is the high-power blue LED light and a premium soundboard. Combined with 2 bass speakers and 12 preloaded sound font banks, it provides any move with a proper effect. You can easily take the saber apart to see the gorgeous construction from inside. Also, you should check out these similar models featuring a slightly different look. This one, for example, is a Sith saber, so it glows with red light. And it has a nice leather handle, so you gotta choose your side. This is the most dangerous gadget you can actually buy. If you see a caution sign with a skeleton, it must be for a reason, but we'll get to it. Aside from total destruction, this thing also brings you 4 USB ports. The hub is compatible with any platform, so you can plug in your mobile devices or laptop. Now, back to the mysterious red button. To arm the gadget, you'll have to activate 3 switches in the right order. For the last switch, you'll need a key that you should always keep with you. Finally, the button will glow red. To push or not to push? That is the question.